There's a broken fucking curve right here.
Exactly.
They just won't have a welder.
Well, they might find one.
Like, you can substitute JB Will at your own risk.
Alright, I'm gonna drill this out, weld a nut to it, repair it. This is my Harbor Freight vise, which it's already fucked up. It's not like I can use this a lot, but it's stripped out now, and wouldn't hold it in place. Drilled it, ground it off. That metal's still thin. Nothing. Now tapped it to 3/8/16. That's pretty thin, so I'm going to weld a nut on the outside of it. Not pretty, but it'll do its thing. Get in there. It's overkill, underkill, whatever. These 3 pieces, and this piece, and that's as close to a finished product as we're getting for tonight. Holds in place. Got the nut back on with the washer, with the pin. I got these 2 screws back here that hold the whatever that is on. Yeah, done for tonight.